Let's turn up the heat this soup season with my Cajun Broccoli Cheese Soup, a delicious twist on a classic recipe. In a large Dutch oven, drizzle in some olive oil and then add in the red onion and the garlic. Cook it for a few minutes and then add in the butter. Melt it slowly and then add in the flour. You also want to add in the Cajun seasoning and then stir everything together to create a nice paste we call a roux. Cook the roux for a few minutes and then slowly add in the chicken broth. Whisk everything together until nice and smooth it starts to thicken and simmers. Then add in the milk and the heavy cream. Stir everything together, bring to a simmer, and then add in the broccoli florets. You can also add some other vegetables, like here I'm adding some chopped red bell pepper, and then let it cook until the broccoli is nice and al dente. One handful at a time, add in the sharp cheddar cheese, stir it until it melts, and just like that, you're ready to enjoy this amazing Cajun broccoli cheese soup. I'm sure you'll enjoy this delicious twist on a classic, so find the full recipe at frenchescook.com.